Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions, my real money. And if it goes to nothing live on the show, you'll see it go to nothing. It's all on the line, just £2,000 in the bank to pay the day-to-day bills. As we look today, it's been a very, very good day. It's our second bear market rally. We've got a couple of things today to look at. We've got the CPI rate tomorrow. Of course, we've got Arrival looking like they're in trouble. I don't know. I'm trying to find out more information. I've got a stop trail loss ready to sell it. I've got a video coming out to explain what I'm doing. And there we go. Let's get straight into the trades and welcome everybody. Okay, here we go. This is the S&P 500 right now, looking good. Everything looking nice today. Most of my stocks are up today comfortably. Let's see how we go. Let's have a look. The overall portfolio, as you can see, is looking nice, up 3.68. Let's have a little move that around. There you go. It's constantly moving. Looking all right. The S&P 500 is good. Caden, hello, Twitch. Mike, hello from Twitch. How are you, Mike? Caden, I don't know if you noticed, but you are you're our featured sponsored member today in our newsletter. There you go. That's come out yesterday. Seb Dean, hi, good afternoon. Hiya, Sam. Rocket Man, how's it going? Prediction for CPI. For CPI, I am pretty confident that the inflation has come down. And I would imagine that they will, on the next report, put up interest rates by 0.5%. I don't think 75%, 70.75 basis points is coming. I think it'll be 50, 0.5%. That's where I think it's going. Got some CFVI, Caden, says Seb Dean. Hey, Steam. Steam 1081. Hello everyone. Hello Steam, how are you over there on Twitch? Let me have a quick pop into say hello to Steam. Hello Steam. Did you subscribe to me on Twitch using your free Amazon Prime? It's a good way to do it. And the reason why I mention it is so you'll be in our free prize draw every first month or every first Friday of the month. I give away the money I make. God save the king. Absolutely right. It's all going on in England now. What about the crazy idiot who decided to shame himself in Scotland for talking about or shouting out about Prince Andrew? Now, of course, Prince Andrew may have done some wrong things. I don't know. I'm not judging. But at the end of the day, it's not Prince Andrew. Today, it's all about the Queen, and it's all about the King. Prince Andrew is the son of the Queen, so he's walking behind his mum's coffin to go for the funeral of his mum, and some idiot in Scotland shouts out, and literally got millions of people all over England getting involved, and Scotland, Ireland and Wales, of course, and one idiot decides to shout out, obscene things towards Prince Andrew. Prince Andrew may be guilty. I don't know. I'm not judging. But the point is, it's his mother's funeral. What an idiot. Anyway, there you go. He's not... Good job he's not unsung the country. I'm not sure what that means. Sorry, I'm glad he's not... Yeah. You're glad he's not running the country. The idiot who shouted out... Oh, there you go. Steam has just subscribed. There you go. Now, make sure that you renew that. You need to renew it. Unless you've set it to automatically renew, you need to renew that every month because we have 17 subscribers. That's all. Not a huge amount. And every first Friday of the month, I give away a cash prize and I give away the money I make. And there you go. So keeping Twitch open so it runs the ads and stuff. The more money I make, the more money I can give back to you. That's the idea. And it's free using your Amazon Prime. There you go. Oh, I see you subscribe to me with your own money. Well, that's very, very kind of you. If you use Amazon Prime, it's free, just so that you know. Yeah, silly person shouting out. Absolutely right. Stephen Lewandowski. Oh, is that you? Oh, Stephen Lewandowski. You are. That's you. Who you are? Steam over there on Twitch. Oh, awesome. Oh, great. Fantastic. It's always nice when we get our YouTube members take part in these things. Great. All right, brilliant. What's going on over there on TikTok today? Not a lot going on. Very quiet today on TikTok. Our main audience is here on YouTube. So let's go through. We're looking at Arrival today. Should I sell my Arrival? That's the nature of, that's the subject for today. It's Stephen Lewandowski. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, it's all doing well today. Now, is this a pump and dump for tomorrow morning? Could be. We've seen it before. Could it be? Could it be people at Wall Street are getting very excited of the potential end of the war? We had a poll this morning, 55%, 56% said no, the war's not coming to an end. But that pretty much says no one really knows. At the end of the day, Russia are being pushed back seriously. You never know. I'm not saying it's going to end tomorrow, but it's looking pretty good for Ukraine. I've just realised I've got something on the screen there I've never seen before. I wonder if I can get rid of that. Hang on a minute. I've never seen that before. Hang on, how do I move that around the screen? How do I move that around the screen? Get that off the screen. I've just noticed something, folks. Just bear with me. In fact, I don't think I can. I'm just making an adjustment here. And I might not be able to. No, it doesn't look like I can. Alright, fair enough. I've never seen that before. Alright, never mind. Yeah, I've got that little line at the side. I don't know why that is. That's new. Alright, Arrival. bear with me. I was doing some tweaks there. So Arrival, I'm looking at Arrival, trying to find out more and more information. I think that Arrival could be in financial difficulty. In fact, that we know they are, but all other stocks are rallying today by a mile. I mean, look, some of the stocks 6-7%. Even just stocks that don't move are up to, like McDonald's, safe houses like Coca-Cola, very slow growth. They're all moving today, but Arrival is not doing anything. So it tells me that no one's buying. In fact, I've just thought of something. Let me check the volume today on Arrival. Average volume, yeah, there you go. There you go. Average volume 3.8 today, 50,000. No one is doing anything. No one is buying this stock. So, is it going down because it's going bust, or there's no attention on it? There's no one interested in it. People have sold out and nothing's happening. So the stock isn't going to go up until someone buys it. It's not possible. So what do you think? Is it worth holding on? I have set a stop trading order for 105, which will be a loss for me of around $100. But I don't want to keep watching it go down and down and down. We've had a good week. It's gone up all week. I doubled up on the stock. I did buy some more, lowered my average, but it's not moving. And it should be moving. It tells me today that the interest in Arrival has gone. Now, that doesn't mean to say forever, but right now it's gone. It's not the end, but it's certainly a start and certainly going in the right direction. In the right direction, Sam. You mean it's going down? That's not good. Sell and buy Vorb. This is what I'm thinking. It's $1,000 dead money. And I don't know. I'm down $71, and if my 105 will be down. The reason why I've set a stop trail loss, because the smallest amount of news and it would pop up and I could make a profit on it. I'm trying to make some money swinging CFVI. Good luck to you, Caden. What is CFVI? I've not looked at that one. Let me have a quick look. CFVI. CF acquisitions. Have a little look. Up 1.92. Okay. Over the past week, it's down. Okay. What spurred this news? What caused this? The question I would want to ask is what caused this? What caused this? Operates a blank check company. I don't like that sort of thing. Average volume for today. Volume's low. It's a merger, yeah. That's why I'm swinging it after the merger. Mergers don't tend to go very well these days. IPOs tend to go down. They used to be great, very exciting times, but IPOs now and mergers don't ever tend to do well. Lucid's finally getting some recognition. Yeah, I know. Look at it. Really, really doing well. I bought more. And again, 80 shares doesn't sound that much, but I've seen this stock at $40, $50. So, it can easily go back up there again. And I mean, this is no indication. You should never look back like that and go, the stock did that. It doesn't mean anything. But we had spikes at $55. I mean, you get the idea. It could be a 4 or 5 grand stock without much good news, really. But anyway, I'm holding it. I'm not going to sell it. I think Lucid's a great car, but it's not about the car, though. It's about the ramping up and producing the cars. I mean that it is good that Ukraine are moving in the right direction. Oh, I see. You're talking about Ukraine. Okay. Ukraine is moving in the right direction. Yes, absolutely. Looking very, very good. I mean, the markets are reacting to it, because if you look at the global markets, all markets are up. This is virtually barcoding. This is not quite, but it's algo trading. This is no one's buying it. Until someone buys it, it could sit at this. And what worries me is they need money and they can't raise money from this. And interest rates are going to go up. They're going to go up. So I don't know if it's time to walk away from a rival. And at the end of the day, if it 10x's, it doesn't matter. If my $1,000 turned to $10,000, I could probably turn that to $10,000 somewhere else. So without the fear and worry. So I'm right on the line. In fact, I am. It is set to sell. It is set to sell at 105. I've set a stop trading order. So if we do get a little bounce and it goes to 110 or 115, it will drag it up. I've got a 5-cent swing, basically. I've got a 5-cent swing. So at the moment, it's placed for, it will sell at 105. It will sell at 105. And that's it. We'll see how it goes. But there's nothing yet to... VORB will go up. I used to be in VORB, and I don't like re-entering a market when I've... only made a wash. I had a price of, what was it, 325. Now we're at 411. It's up 18%. You can see my average was 349, but I did have some at 325. I'm reluctant to pay any more because it could swing back down. We're not in a bull market yet. It isn't all systems go. Up 18% now for me. If you look, up nearly 18%. So it's a good stock. I'd like to own it and I'd like to hold it, but I'm looking to re-enter. I'm fully invested right now. I haven't really got any money to spend anyway, so we're all fully invested right now. My overall portfolio today is up to 40,448. So it's been a really good day today. It's exactly what I said. I knew we'd have a green day. I think the CPI rate tomorrow is interesting. I think we've seen this before when we go up before the CPI rate and then we crash down. We've seen that happen because people make money doing that, buying to dump it because tomorrow it will drop down. That's exactly what could be happening right now. But, I mean, we're enjoying it go up and it's nice to see the portfolio move up. But at the end of the day, be wary. We're going to be wary of it. Anyway, there we go. Over on TikTok, how's everybody this afternoon? Can you do SAP? I can. For my members, you need to be on YouTube. If you're one of my subscribers on TikTok or a member on YouTube, I will review a stock for you, make a video on it, post it, and also promote it, and even sometimes buy it as well. But you've got to be on YouTube for that, or be a subscriber on TikTok. Because it's a benefit. It's one of the perks of my members. So there you go. Wait for 325 again on Virgin Orbit. Space at 525. Yeah, I think Virgin Orbit is likely to go down again. But we don't know. Virgin Galactic. I've got an average of 607 now. I'm just holding it. It's pretty good, right? Just holding it. I was dead right with Ethereum this morning. Everyone got excited. Ethereum was all going to go to the moon and all that stuff. Well, that didn't happen, did it? It went back down again. The merger is 2 days away. This is very fearful, really, seeing it go up and back down again. I think it's going to do exactly what I predicted. I think it will bounce on the day. Everybody get excited and they'll dump it. People will make money and walk away. And remember, when you make money, there's somebody left holding the bag. There's no love lost in trading. I think that's what's going to happen. Anyway, let's see. Ginkgo Bioworks is doing absolutely fantastic. Continually going up now. Today it's been up. Look at that. Look at that for a straight line curve. Look at that for a week. 27, 28%. And I have all of that. I had it all down here. And I sold it. But what did I do with it? I put more into VU. I added another couple of $1,000 of VU. And I'm glad because that's gone up. So, you know. Yeah. Seb Dean's going woo. I know. I mean, seriously. Ginkgo Bioworks. Look at that. I mean, that's a really nice line. 27.6. But I've only got one share. It's my market share. So I haven't gained any of that. I haven't gained any of that at all. But never mind. Tesco's done very well today. What happened with Tesco's? A lot of fear and overselling. And that's why it's just straight lined. It's just literally been bought back. People have bought it back and it's just gone straight again. So that puts me in a very, very, very good position now with Tesco. I don't think I will be out of the money again. I mean, I've got dividend stocks. I've got dividend stocks coming out next month, and I own 352 shares of it now. And I've got growth as well of nearly 4%. I don't see. There's my growth alert. $113. I don't see that really going down below there. It's a 5-year low. I don't know why anyone reacted that badly. Again, if the war comes to an end, you're going to see it fly up. IonQ has continued to rise today. 132 shares, not that many, but again, it's a it's just over a penny stock. It's not a penny stock ends at $5, but it could easily 10x, and if it does, then that amount of shares I've got will be very valuable to me, so that's fine. Microsoft, I'm out of Microsoft. I made money on Microsoft. Google, out as well. Sorry, Google's quite small. It's only 12 shares of Google. So there we go. Seb Dean, let's bring all the comments in. Up 20%. Are you up 20% on VOR? Very nice indeed. Right. We've got an earlier show today because we've got two premieres coming out just after I finish. They might be our competition videos this week. You never know. You never know. So you want to stick around for that. But just very, very quickly, let's do a quick commercial break. I'll be back in 10 seconds' time. And then we've got Day Trader of the Day coming up. And we're preparing for the CPI report. Well, we're going to do a poll on that in just a second. So here we go. Come back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back. So let's do a poll for tomorrow. CPI. Question I'm going to ask, has inflation come down? Remember, it came down last month. If it comes down again this month, then we're starting to go in the right direction. So let's have a look. I'm going to ask you now. CPI rate tomorrow. And that's on the opening, that's 7:30 in the morning when I go live. CPI rate tomorrow. Well, the question is, will inflation come down? Or has inflation come down, should I say? Remember, this is reporting from August. Has inflation come down? CPI rate in the morning. Consumer Price Index. The question is, yes or no? Has inflation come down? Or will it be down in the morning? Okay, you understand what I'm saying, right? Okay. Let's have a look. Church says inflation will go down less than 1%. Watch, thanks to oil prices, that's about it. Okay, well, also rent has come down, I believe, as well. I was reading earlier. Quinn Rayner, hi sir, is it possible to trade on a small Forex account founded 15 up on BTC, $41 in profit now? I'm hoping to buy Tesla and never close my trade. Is it safe to buy Tesla? Please assist. Quinn Rayner, welcome to our show, Quinn. First thing, let's get to know you first of all. We don't give financial advice. What we do is we share our real experiences. We share our real trades, our real money. We do cash prize giveaways all the time. I'm here to support people. I'm live all the time sharing my real trades. This is my real money, my real trades. Happy to help in any way I can. I give you all my top tips on Discord. You can see what I'm trading. My portfolio started from 5 grand. I'm up to 40 grand. This is all real. This is all the money I've got in all the world other than 2 grand in the bank paying the day-to-day bills. This is my full-time job. I'm here all the time. This is what I do. Nice to meet you. Let's get to know you first of all. I'm from the United Kingdom, England, in Cornwall. And my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. Let me give you a wave. How you doing? This is the music studio where I raise money for the charities and do the fundraiser events and the live music. During the show, someone can make a request. Where are you from? All the members will welcome you in and tell you where they're from in a minute. If the railroads strike, that will hurt supply chain for sure. Absolutely. What's the chance of that happening, Church? You're right on that one, aren't you? Spaceline, uncrewed launch for Bezos Blue Origin suffers mid-flight anomaly, but cargo capsule is safely aborted. It's not good publicity. That's not the sort of thing we want to see. But it's no competition whatsoever to Virgin Galactic, none whatsoever. To go on that ride, it's millions of dollars and a lot of training as an astronaut. You do not have to do that on Virgin Galactic, so it's no competition whatsoever. I'm from South Africa. Welcome, South Africa. J-Berg. I did a private function there. Lovely to have you here. Here's Alicia and Patricia. You're getting all the welcomes now. Spaceline has welcomed you in from Sydney, Canada. Lovely stuff. It's a great honour to be part of the team. God bless. I would love to stay and be part of this family. Well, we go live up to 10 hours a day. And the reason why I do that is it's not so good for me. It's what's best for me is making videos. That's how YouTubers make money. But what I'm trying to do is grow a community. And I want to be the best YouTube channel in the world, not the richest and the biggest. I want to be the best. And I want to help people, and I want it to be real and honest and genuine. So that's why we go live, so you can see what I'm trading, what I'm investing in. If you look on the homepage of the YouTube channel, you will see all our shows. This is where we are live right now. Let me just refresh it for you. And think of it as a TV guide, and we go live every day at the same time for the opening bell and the closing bell every day. Here's the upcoming live streams. Look, think of it as a TV guide, same time every day. You've got all the dates, it tells you everything that's going on. And then I have breaking news throughout the day. These are the uploads and the shorts and other things that we do as well. All right, you're getting a nice welcome from everybody. Awesome stuff. Now, you might notice that everyone's got a badge. It's because nearly everyone, we have the highest percentage of members on YouTube, and I've actually checked that per percentage-wise of people that watch your live shows. More are members here than any other YouTube channel. I'm very proud of that. That's because we are a family, and it's the members are what support the live shows. Otherwise, I wouldn't make any money at all. It's the members that support it. Couple of bucks a month if you could be a member. We have bronze, silver, and gold, silver, sponsorship, and even investor level. You've got to be very rich for the investor level, though. Richer than me. Anyway, you get many perks. You get 20 times back what you put in. And we have cash prize giveaways as well if you want to be in our free prize draw. We do it every Friday. I'm not going to mention it unless you want to be in it, because I try to mention it as little as possible for the members that have already heard it before. But if you'd like to be in it, just tell me and I will give you the link of how to be in our free prize draw. We do it every Friday. Okay. We're at 4833. When we get to 5,000, Greg Dickerson's coming back on the show. It should be a good show. It was our biggest show at the time. And we had Greg when we were 2,000 subscribers. Anyway, we're preparing for the CPI rate tomorrow morning. We're looking at people at 56%. So not overwhelming again. Not that much at all. That's nothing, is it? 50-50, really. Will inflation come down tomorrow? I believe it will. I believe the evidence is all there to suggest that inflation will come down tomorrow. It's how the Fed then react to that. And it's how much inflation comes down. But all the markets have pumped today by a long way. Now, is this a pump and dump? It could well be. It's why I've not been buying the pump today. I've been enjoying the rise and enjoying being up 3.5%, which is always nice. But I am not. I've not been buying it. I think we could go lower, and we're near the bottom. I think my high tech risk stocks probably are at the bottom. I've been saying now for a few months, but I'm not going to buy these prices. I'm only going to buy when they go down. I'm not going to chase it up like this and think we're in a bull market, because we are not. We're in a bear market rally right now. This is the second bear market rally we've been on. Oh, Virgin Orbit. Okay. Presenting opportunity. I'm looking for it, but still got a long way to go. Tesla. Now, Tesla is $912 if you want to look back. You should never do that, but just to give you an idea, I said it would go through 900 and it would reach 1,000. It's all about timing, so it's not there yet, but it will get there. Kathy Wood says deflation will be issue soon. Could well be. This is why I'm not buying the stocks that are rising. I'm only buying the stocks that are good, that make money and go down, and it's why I'm concerned for Arrival. It's reached 1010 today a couple of times, and I'm looking to get out of it. I've got a 5 cent stop trailing loss, and that's going to trail up and hopefully take me through. But if not, at 105, just 3 more cents, I'm going to call it a day. At 105, if it goes down any lower, I'm going to call it a day. Now, why I've picked 105? Because we've been rising all week and everything is up today. We should be moving up, but there's no volume. No one's buying the stock. So we could easily drop to 105. And if we do, I'm out. I'll take, at that point, about $100 loss and go, do you know what? I'm out. I'm done. I'm not sticking around. Alternatively, I'm going, it'll go up and then it will trail up 5 cents and that's fine. Now, once it goes, if it does, goes to 120, 130, 140, then I will change the 5 cent to a percentage and I will change it to like a 5%. So as it goes up, it'll have more and more room to protect it and stay in, if that makes sense. But I've only got 3 cents. Getting itchy trigger fingers, Paul B. I just see greater opportunity elsewhere. Everything else is up. There's a reason why Arrival's not up. No one is buying it. No one is buying it. And don't think you're smarter than everybody else. You know more than everybody else. No one else is buying it. There's hardly any volume at all today on Arrival. So it's not going anywhere. It's not being dumped either, by the way. That's worth mentioning. But it's not moving. Anyway, there we go. Has everyone enjoyed their day? Yeah. Oh, is the Queen of Celebrating in? Anybody from Dallas here? I think Queen's not here right now. Yeah, I did a gig on Saturday. An in-person gig. I played at a venue and a few of my friends and I think the Queen of Celebrating, they're coming on Saturday. They asked me to come back. They're going to come and listen to me. Anyway, nice, isn't it? I'm going to meet the Queen of Celebrating. Hope she be good, wouldn't it? I get a little photograph. Anyway, Alicia, great pleasure to meet you and the rest of the team. Hi, guys. There you go. Quinn Rayner is from South Africa, Johannesburg. Alicia and Patricia are from Italy. Anyway, we're not buying anything today. We're holding our ground. CPI rate in the morning. We're expecting it to be good, which will be good for the markets. But if it's just okay or bad, we'll get a dump. So that's why the markets may have potentially been rising today. That's why I haven't been chasing the stock, because that's a guarantee to lose money tomorrow. I'm already in and holding. I'm not adding to it. I'm loving INQ go up, but I've got a good position. It's fine. Hi Paul, wish you well. Okay, we're coming up to 27 minutes to go before the bell goes. My best stock today was Tesco's. I told you it was oversold. Knew I was being optimistic on VORB earlier in Discord. It would go wrong in the last 30 minutes. VORB, it is going to do well, but it's a little early. It's like Virgin Galactic. It's a little early. This is the time for scalp trading, swing trading. It's why I made some money. I'm out. I'm waiting for it to go back down again. You know, in 10 years' time, Virgin Orbit won't be $4. But there's between now and then, the price is going to go up and down. Right, Paul B. What's your prediction then? I said to everybody this morning, and I was right. There was a couple of you got very excited and saying Ethereum's going to moon today. I hate that phrase. It's a crypto phrase. And I said, no, it won't. And I stand by what I said, and I was right. Ethereum went up and came back down again. Ethereum, it all starts tomorrow. Between the 13th and the 15th is when it all starts kicking in. But the 14th is the day it'll happen. But it'll be over a period of time, and people will see it happening. It's set to happen here on Robinhood. And my prediction is, I think it'll rise. People will have all sorts of profits, and it'll drop. And then it'll be then it will buy in again. That's what I think is going to happen. I might be wrong. Let's have a look. Stephen says, I am waiting to buy soon after the 15th, sitting on a pile. Palm Bay, Florida. Very nice. I'm waiting to buy soon. There you go. I mean, people are coming out with all sorts of stuff. It's ridiculous. It's just like Bitcoin. All of a sudden, crypto's, Ethereum's going to be worth $1 million. I mean, I'm seeing it all over the place. Much love to this new promising family. I've waited for this a very long time. Well, that's very, very nice of you. We love being here. So, Quinn, get involved. You can have a song. If you become a member, you can dedicate a birthday to somebody. When it's your birthday, we'll celebrate your birthday. And let me give you a couple of links that you can use. First of all, here's the invitation if you want to be a member. And if you're a member, you get many, many perks. It's not just for the sake of being a member. There are many reasons why you'd be a member. And also, here is the Discord. So if you want to call into the show, be on the show, wish someone well, you'd like to ask a question, you can call in, you can do all that stuff. We do it all through Discord. And it's for members only, YouTube members only, but there it is. We had a silver member this morning join. I've not upgraded. Queen of Self-Braiding, did you get your text I sent you about this Saturday in Dallas? The gig that I'm doing. Did you get it? Smash the like button. Yeah, I've not even asked that yet. Do I see a 10,000 Ethereum? Yes, I do, 100%. But in the short term, it should bounce past 2 grand and then, like you said, pull back. But Bitcoin drop is where the damage will be done and the Ethereum will go below 1 grand. You did. All right. Okay. Yes, let's do it, shall we? Let's get ready to rumble. Let's go to my main portfolio and let's do a 1 minute on the clock. I've got 18 watching, nearly 30. I nearly 30 watching, 18 likes. That means half of you haven't liked the video. Now let me tell you a little secret, guys. If you want the stocks to go up, and if you believe like me in magic, what you do is you smash the like button, and you know what happens when you smash the like button? The likes go up, the positive energy that we put through this show goes around the world, and the stocks go up. It happens every time. It's called YouTube magic. You may have read about it on YouTube. We talk about it a lot on our show. So anyway, are you ready? Ready for some YouTube magic? Okay, here we go. 1 minute clock on the clock. 1 minute clock on the clock. 1 minute clock on the clock. Does that even make any sense? Boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. Said a boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. Would the real Satoshi stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up? Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. Here he is, Dexter Sickles. How are you? 25 likes, we're going up. Green day today, looking very, very nice. Not too bad. I'm happy. 25 likes, 28 watching. Not too bad. Dexter Sickles is here. All right. Now then, Quinn says I got in on Bitcoin at 1,850. Oof. How about that? And I'm up about 35. Plus my 15 deposit setting at $50. I'm tired of demo. Are you using a demo brokerage? I got in on Bitcoin at 1850 and I'm up at 35 plus my 15 deposit setting at $50. I'm tired of demo. I'm not sure what you mean. If you become a member, you can actually call in. Oh, here she comes. Who's this? Here she comes. Yeah, here she comes, walking down the street. Yes, here he is. Ali Isles, everybody. Ali Isles is coming to the party on the 15th of October. Who wants to be there and meet Ali Isles? Oh, yeah. We've got all sorts of crazy people. We've got Alicia from Italy, Patricia from Italy, myself and my wife from Dallas, Texas, originally from Cornwall, of course. Tom from Canterbury. Sam. Where are you from, Sam? I can't remember where you're from. Real Ray up Yorkshire somewhere. Nicky Boy Game from Bristol. And Ali Isles. Ali Isles is coming and he's ordered a meat pasty. Just so everybody knows, he's having a meat pasty. I think it's just right to say it. I'm doing okay. Tilray is up. Tilray is up. Let's have a little look. I know. I'm excited. Tilray today, 2.79. Everything's up. It's all preparing for tomorrow, though. Sup? What have I been missing? Nitz Farrells is here. Oh, yeah, come and play with me at the party. Yeah, come and play. Are you coming out to play? Oh, my God. Do you remember when you was a kid? You'd knock on the neighbour's door. I used to do it. I had, what was it? David White. David White was just across the road from me. Knock on the door. Press the button. Right. Mum would answer. Is David in? Yeah. Is David coming out? Is David coming out to play? David! It's Martin from across the road. Are you going out to play? Yeah, tell him I'll be down in a minute. And I remember going up to his room once. He had like we were like doing swaps, and he had a goldfish. He had a goldfish, one little goldfish in a pond in a little goldfish bowl. And I think I gave him something for like a torch. I gave him a torch. I said, right, I'll trade it. I said, I'll give you a torch for your goldfish. And I ended up with David White's goldfish. I gave him a little torch. I don't think it had batteries in it either. So we had to go out and buy the batteries. Anyway. I know of a guy named Barry McCumber who mined Bitcoin in the beginning and he cashed out at $50,000, $1 million worth. Oh, hey, how about that? Very nice. Bank of America says Ethereum merge of proof of stake to proof of stake may increase institutional adoption. Ooh. It's all going to happen. Should we all buy Ethereum and go mad today? Throw caution to the wind. Just buy a lot of Ethereum. Sod it. I think I have too much Lucid. I need this to be in the 20% range sooner than later. Let's go. I think I have too much Lucid. How much Lucid have you got? In fact, what's your portfolio? How much of your portfolio is it? For me, it's 1.6. So it's not too much for me. A couple of percent is about right for one particular EV company. I mean, Tesla's different, right? But anyway. Of course, Ali. Flashlight. We call it a torch in England. Yeah. You call it a flashlight in America. Don't know why, but you just do. Sub with the bounce with all this Fed talk. Yes, it's all up to date. Now that's the day trader started. Now that's how the day trader started with your fish. Yeah, yeah. Do you want to trade a goldfish for a torch for a flashlight? No to Ethereum, says Stu Walk. He's not interested in it. Crypto must not get in the hands of regulation. Oh, so much disagreement. I don't agree with that. I think regulation is good. Rules are good. Rules are good. It brings the institutions in. As long as it's all a free-for-all, the OK Corral, it's why it's not adopted enough. 1,400 shares of Lucid. Oh! That's a nice position, Fusion. Fusion's got 1,400 shares of Lucid. How about that? Paul B, he's all Ethereum Classic. He's not interested in your Ethereum. I've got 42 Rio. How many have you got? Okay, we're playing the Rio game. It's time for a Rio. Oh, yeah. It's time for a Rio. Let's do it. Let's do the Rio game. How many Rios have I got? Oh, that was a bright light. Sorry about that. There's my torch. My torch spooked you all out. Okay, let's go Rio Tinto. Rio Tinto. Right? Rio Tinto. I was going to do a joke then. Is there a car called the Pinto in it? Rio Pinto. Rio Tinto. Whatever. Anyway. Ali Isles, I got 46, mate. I got 46. You are no longer the king of Rio Tinto. I am. I am the most important person in Rio Tinto. I'm going to knock on their door soon and say, oi, do you know who I am? And they'll go, no, who are you? I'm the guy with 46 shares of your company. And my mate, Ali Isles, who's coming to my party in October, he thinks he's even more important. He's got 42. Yes, right, okay. Very good. We're glad to meet you. Ali Pasta, Ali Ketchup. Oh my God, we've got nonsense breaking out here. Right, Alicia, I'm well. Hey, I'm betting my life on this. This trading family is going to explode. I'm going to run around on live streams and promote this channel. Quinn Rayner, are you a YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber? Because if you're a YouTuber, you're missing out, right? Trust me, if you are a YouTuber, become a member right now. Do you trust me for $2? Do you think good things are going to happen to you for $2? Trust me, become a member, and I promise you, you're going to go, it's the best $2 you've ever... Well, I say you're a YouTuber because you've got an icon. You've got an icon, so I assumed that you were a YouTuber. Doesn't matter if you're not. Still good things are going to happen. Anyway, let's see if he does it. We raised about 40 grand for the McKinney nurses, about 40 grand for the Lions Club. We bought... I'm not going to go on all that. Loads. I'm just trying to convince Quinn to become a member. Anyway, institutions is why space is down. There you go. Still want them in your crypto? Very good. I like that. I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried. Bought a ton of Shiba. I don't know if you even look at it as just for fun. I bought Shiba once for the hell of it. And I had the Shiba army torment me on Reddit. They made loads of videos winding me up, telling me I was an idiot. All sorts of stuff. All sorts. So I went out and I said, right, you Shiba army, I'm going to buy 1 million Shiba. And I did. I don't know. I bought 5 million or something stupid like that. And it was like $300 or something like that. I soon got rid of it. I just got bored with watching it. And it's just like, I felt like a little kid. Why am I buying all this crap? Why am I buying all this? You know, this isn't investing. This isn't knowledge. This doesn't require any. It's just ridiculous. Anyway, you're saying bought a ton of Shiba. I don't even look at it. It's just for fun. Got in so cheap. I figured I heard it. I heard it say better chance than a lottery ticket. See, the way I look at it is this, Nits. People get excited with Bitcoin because it's $1 million coin, and they get excited with Shiba because it's 0.000001, and they've missed the whole point of the investing. It's about the percentages. If you are up 10%, whatever amount of money you put in, you're up 10%, whether it's a crypto coin or a stock. 10% is 10%. That's it. It's not better value because it's cheap. It's not better value because it's worth $1 billion gazillion dollars. Anyway, how far are you from Giga Houston? Canada is getting a gigafactory. Houston, you mean Texas? You mean? Sorry, not Texas. I beg your pardon. You mean not Houston? You mean Austin? Do you mean Austin? Austin, Texas. I'm about 3 hours? 2 hours? 2-3 hours? Something like that. I don't know. Something like that. No, Ali, it's not strange. Lucid, I have 2,080. John McElwain, unfortunately, bought 500 of them at $54. Hey, we've been there, John. We've been there. Hey, John, you got a green badge now. You got a green badge now, John. It's turning colour. It'll turn yellow soon, then turn gold. Anyway, a flashlight, a torch. It's a portable hand electric lamp. Yes, it is. I'm glad you've explained that, Bill. So glad that Bill's come in and explained this. Right, we've got 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. We've got day trader of the day. We've got all these people here. I'm not working, sir. I only got on my live account. I started last week. I promise to God, on my life, I'm going to be a member. I just need income or a job, or I build my account. Hey, we're here to help you, mate. We're here to help you. Don't you worry about that. You don't have to make me any promises. We don't do stress here. We do Happy Larry. We do Happy Larry. I just made that up. Sounds good. Yeah, Austin. Yeah, don't confuse me. Don't confuse me. Austin, Texas. I bloody knew it. Anyway. Fusion 301 down to 24.45. Lucid. 16.52 right now. What was you talking about there? Bill, how silly is the word flashlight? It's a light that flashes. How does that make any sense whatsoever? It's called a torch. I agree. Ali Isles. Everybody from England. It's just a torch. None of this flashlight rubbish. I'm right with you. Let's wind up the Americans. Who's in the mood today for an argument? Who's in the mood to poke fun and wind up the Americans? I think we should. Just for the sheer hell of it, we should wind up the Americans today. I reckon we should. I think it's all good humour. And the Canadians. Throw the Canadians under the bus as well. Let's just go out on a limb today. Let's just decide to smash everything up. Let's destroy all our relationships. The relationship that we spent the last year building up, let's smash it up. Let's end it. Lay it to us. Right. Is it a bloody torch? Hang on a minute. I'm going to end this poll. It's a boring poll. 50%. No one knows. Right. Okay, here we go. Okay. When I was a kid when I was doing my trades, my torch for a goldfish, right? I feel like I'm 5 years old now. That's what we're going to do, right? We're all going to act 5 years old. Who's the best? Imagine you're 5 years of age at school, right? We're not making money anymore. We're not doing that. Hey, hang on. This will be interesting. Who's the best? Hang on. I need another option. Right. I feel like I'm 5 years old now. Anybody else? Right. I think we've got some. Oh, yeah, here we go. There we go. Right. Who's the best? Who's the best? Just who's the best? You haven't got to think like a grown-up. You got to think like an adult. Sorry, you got to think like a child now. Who's the best? The English, the Americans, the Canadians, or the Italians? Who's the best? Who's the best? I love it. Oh, God. The Canadians aren't doing very well. Americans, not very good either. Yeah, definitely the English are the best. This is an official poll. Anyway, while you smash the poll buttons and while we decide who the best is, because it's real scientific stuff. Who's the best? I'm going to send you off to a commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. Who's the best? English, Americans, Canadians, Italians. See you back in 10 seconds. Bye-bye for now. There you go, I'm back. I just bought 49 shares of Rio. You're having a laugh. Who just bought 49 shares of Rio? Fusion 301 just bought 49 shares of Rio. Why did you do that? Just to annoy me? Because I got 46. You bought 49. Why would you buy it now? Because you're ex-dividend. So you've missed out on the dividends. That wasn't very smart, was it? That wasn't very smart. And it's up 3%. So what was the point of that? What's the point of that? Fusion 301. Why would you buy it up here? This is bad. Who's giving you financial advice? Who are you listening to? Because whoever you're listening to is telling you nonsense. What are you buying? He's bought Rio Tinto at the top of the curve. Right? He's bought it here, top of the curve. Ex-dividend date. What's he doing? I already got the dividend, sold it at hang on. I already got the dividend and sold it at the high. I see. You got in because of the dividend. You got out, sold it at the high, and you got back in again. Right. All right, then. He's got money to burn. There you go. He's got money to burn. Paul B. Yep. No one understands it. They're all going, what's he on about? Fusion 301's like questioning himself now, and he's thinking, hang on a minute. I'm a very good investor. I know what I'm doing. How stupid do you have to be to call a combustible liquid gas? How stupid do you have to be to call a combustible liquid gas? It's petrol, isn't it, mate? Petrol. You know why it's called petrol? because it's petroleum. That's why. That's why the English call it petrol, because it's petroleum. Let's have a little look here. Let's have a little look. We're simply the best. Well, you're Italian and you didn't vote for yourself, so that makes no sense. Patty just put, we're simply the best. Patty's from Alicia. Patty and Alicia are from Italy. They've not voted for themselves and they've said they're the best. That's not very smart, is it? That isn't very good, is it? That ain't very clever. Something wrong there. Something wrong. You're getting something wrong there. I just want to say, you're getting something wrong. You're saying you're the best, but you never voted for yourself. Anyway, the best at what? Just the best at everything. Just the best. Obviously, sometimes are better Italians and British, and sometimes North Americans. Well, that's a bit diplomatic, isn't it? Sometimes it's Americans, sometimes it's no. This isn't one of them. This isn't one of them. Hang on, Martin. You don't do charts. Yeah, you're right. Don't listen to me. I don't do charts. You're right, Paul B. I know nothing about charts. Anyone else involved in the Lucid court case for compensation? Anyone else involved? Anyone else involved in the Lucid court case for compensation? I'm not involved. Are you asking anybody here if we're involved? He's asking if anyone's involved. Has anyone done anything to upset Lucid, by the way? Is anybody in a court case with Lucid? I'm not. Is anybody? Paul B, I reckon you are. Paul B, have you been hanging around that Lucid factory causing chaos? Are you involved in the court case? Fusion bought back in. Even if British and Italians are a bit more. Quinn Rayner is thinking, what on earth have I come to? I thought I'd come to a trading channel. Well, you have. But sometimes we like to have a bit of a laugh. Bought Rio 100 shares at 57. Got dividend. Sold at 60. Bought 100 shares at 57. Got the dividend. Sold at 60. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. That's good. That's better than me. Yep. That's better than me. I'll give you that. Because we're simply the best. Who's the best? You are. I was looking at the chart to make my decision. It's Rob Brennan about. Rob Brennan, he's sick of you, Ali. He didn't want to come back because you're here. Greg Dickerson just put out a depression. Is a depression possible or imminent? Hang on. Greg Dickerson just put out, is a depression possible or imminent? Anything's possible. But Greg Dickerson will be a guest on our show soon. If I win, I'll donate you 0.79 super chat. If I win, what are you going to win, Paul B? It's not you versus the English, the Americans, the Canadians, and the Italians. You're grouped in with the English. You're grouped in. If I win. If you win what? Apple good indicator for CPI. Let's have a little look. Oh, look. All of a sudden, arrivals gone back up again. 110. Now then, it will sell at 105. Come on. Apple. By the way, hang on a minute. Let's talk about Apple a minute. Apple is not a good indicator for the CPI. Remember one thing. CPI, consumer price index, right? What people pay for stuff, how much the prices are coming down by, right? This is for August. Apple only announced 2 days ago that they are holding the price of their phones, which will be great for next month. So inflation, great, absolutely brilliant. That's a very good thing for inflation, that Apple are not increasing the prices of their phones. That is great, but that won't affect until next month, which will be great, by the way, because if we get a third month of it coming down, then we are looking very nice indeed. Hey, Mike, greetings from North Macedonia. There we go, up 4%. Yes, it's doing all right. Is Martin drunk? Always. I mean, as you know, I'm drunk. I'm drunk on the wonderful passions of excitement of being the ruler of this channel. I'm the ruler. I'm the emperor. I'm the emperor of the YouTube channel, otherwise known as the Day Trader. Right, the bell's gone. Ring the bell. Here we go. There we go. The bell's gone. We're in the after hours. Now we're looking at Rival. We've got a stop trail order here. 110. Let's have a look at it. Alert, Lucid investors with substantial losses have opportunity to lead class action suit. Alert, Lucid Group investors with substantial losses have opportunity to lead a class action lawsuit. How would that be? That would normally suggest that Lucid have misled their investors in some way and, you know, made their stock more valuable in some way. But at the end of the day, the stock is up dramatically over the last few days. I don't know. I have a loss of $12,000. I've got losses all over the place. Who's ever heard of that? I've got losses all over the place. I'm going to sue Tesla. I'm going to sue Robinhood. I'm going to sue Virgin Galactic. Yeah, I want to sue Virgin Galactic for your share price going down. Who's ever heard of such a ridiculous thing? That's never going to come off, is it? I mean, the only way you could sue someone and get away with it and it be passed is if the company literally lied and manipulated the stock price or what have you. But I mean, I can't see how you can sue a company for the share price going down if there was no real reason other than people have sold it. I mean, bloody hell. I mean, the stock market would collapse, wouldn't it? Anyway. Very interesting. I'm in the SEM4 class action. You're in? Alicia, up 1.7. This is too perfect, you guys. Crap me up. I'm broken of laughter, and we've not even done the music yet. You want to hear the music? Oh, then you've seen everything. Then, John McElwain, I would imagine you have to have a realised loss. Correct? Yeah, I've had losses. No one's contacted me. No one's rung me up and said, "Hey, Martin, your portfolio's down. Here's some free money." No one's ever said that to me. Anyway, that's interesting. Share if you could share more information with that on Discord. I'll make a video on it. Actually, I'm part Italian, believe it or not. Are you? Well, we got no votes for the Italians. Not one single vote. Yeah, what part? Ali, I'm not sure. Yeah, no one knows. I don't even think Paul B exists. When he calls into the show, he's like a sort of mirage. He's not even really here. Let me open up the broadcast lounge, by the way. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. There we go. Broadcast lounge is open now. So if anybody wants to call in, you can be like, who should we play? Is Nicky Boy Gaming here today? No, he's not. Who's in today? Ali Tisro? No. Nitz? No. Alicia, Patricia? Yep. Let's do. Yeah, Patricia's in. Let's do Patty. Here we go. Patty from Italy's in.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
We're just looking at Stephen Lewandowski said Robinhood getting sued. Look into the right. Let's get one thing straight. Big public companies get sued all the time. All right? This isn't like you and me working down the pub, working at McDonald's, working on the Day Trader. These companies get sued all the time. It makes headlines. Everyone gets excited. Robinhood have plenty of money to back their company up. They're not going anywhere. They'd be bought out. They're not going to go bankrupt. I don't think for a minute they're going to go bankrupt. Soon another call in, Martin. Yeah, you can call in again. Absolutely, anytime. You remember, right? So I wouldn't worry about Robinhood getting bankrupt, but it is why I only have a small position. They don't make any money right now. They will long term, but my money is working harder elsewhere. Anyway, Alicia, you got a sneak peek. What's all that about? There are $1 trillion company. They have room for losses and cash burn. Yes, indeed. I'm not worried at all. Thank you, Church. Whatever Italian part you have. Fusion 301. What sort of show is this? Fusion 301. Open to any investor that bought between November 21 and May 22. I know nothing about it. Is someone going to ring me up and have a chat with me and tell me all about it? I've no idea. Paul B, we have faith. You don't have to prove you're Italian, but your partner. I have loss of $12,000. I had losses like that with Virgin Galactic, and I bought back. But I'd like to sue them now. Yeah, I'd like to sue Virgin Galactic for my money. For my share price going down. I don't like it. Alicia, Mr. Paul won't lie. He knows the history of where he comes from. Yeah, I think Paul B knows where he's from. Probably. Hang on a minute. Let me just get rid of some of these comments. There's too many comments now. Court case started in May of this year. Look it up. Okay, thank you, John. Look it up. That told me. Mike should call in. Yeah. Talk about Love Island. Yeah, Mike. Yeah, I think Mike should call in. What else here? Everyone watches Love Island. They don't. I don't watch it. Ali Isles. I love Speedos. Okay. Fine. Mr. Cornwall. Welcome. Thank you very much for being here. Did you all see my God Save the King anthem? I was one of the first to record it in the world. And put it out, and I hope you enjoyed that and left a message for the King and Queen. It's our book of condolence, if you like. Right, we're coming to the end of the show. We've got to go. You know why we got to go? Well, 2 reasons. First of all, I'm hungry and I'm tired and I want to go. Queen of Self-Braiding, she's coming to my party on Saturday. I've got a party on Saturday. I'm in Dallas doing a gig. And Queen of Self-Braiding is coming, and I'm going to take a photograph of me and me and the Queen, and I'm going to share it on YouTube next week. Oh yeah. Anyway, Google it. Everyone's saying Google it. Patty, we need Zoom to tell Elisa to stop. Messages won't help. We need Zoom. We got better than Zoom. We got Discord. We got Discord here. We got Discord. We don't need Zoom. Who else? We've got Church of Logic. Is Church of Logic here? Right? Here's the Church of Logic.
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the day trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information, doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show, every morning, every afternoon. I make sure I don't miss a beat. The Day Trader Show with Martyn Lucas, everyone.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader.
Welcome to The Day Traders. This show is pretty an awesome show. I have been supporting it ever since the lockdown has started in the period. My name is Nicholas Squill. I'm 31. I live in Bristol in UK. I have been supporting this show because he has been really brilliant at what he does. I have to say everything. Please make sure you like, follow, subscribe and share, because more you support, more better we get. And I hope you have a fantastic time and enjoying yourself watching the show. Take care. Peace.
Peace, rock and roll. Anyway, we got Robinhood coming up in the after hours. Let's go through and check my stocks right now and see where we're going. Looking pretty good. We're still going up. We're going Day Trader of the Day in a couple of seconds. And could win this because I'm the best day trader in the world, right? So I could win today. It's doable. I don't think I'm going to win though, but I'm going to give it my best shot. Anyway, let's have a little look where we are today. Looking pretty nice. Okay, let's go for our stocks. Now tomorrow we are here. Special tomorrow. CPI rate tomorrow. Of course, you don't want to miss tomorrow's show. Opening bell in the morning, CPI rate, and it could be a pump and dump from today. It could well be. It's why I haven't been buying anything today. I've just been enjoying everything being up and hoping for the best tomorrow. I think it's quite likely that the interest rates will go up 0.5%, and I think we will get inflation coming down, which is all good stuff, but we will see. And of course, the excitement for Ethereum starts tomorrow. The official day is the 14th, but from between the 13th and the 15th is when it all starts to happen. But as I say, I think it will pump and dump. All right. Okay, well, I have got some exciting news for you now. You know I do my cash giveaways, right? Well, I've got two videos coming out tonight in the next couple of minutes. And these might be my cash giveaway videos. So if you want to be part of my premiere, I'm going to end the show right now. In fact, no, I'm not going to end the show. I'm going to send you all to this one. You're all going to watch it for 2 minutes. Come back. We'll have a little bit of a chat. We'll do Day Trader of the Day. Might even do a little bit of a song. We might even have somebody call in. And then I'll send you to the other one. So here's the first one. Are you ready? You ready? All going to watch it live with me. It's a premiere. I want you to watch it all the way through. It's about the Ion Q squeeze. It's like 2 minutes long. Leave a comment, leave a like, watch it all the way through. Leave a comment below, not just the in the live chat. Here's the video. You ready? I'll tell you when to go. We've got 3 minutes yet, so we're gonna have a little chin wag for 3 minutes, and there's the video. Then you'll come straight back. I'll stick here with you, and then we'll do the other one. And let's see if we can get a viral video tonight. Very, very exciting stuff. Okay, fire is on. We just want to have some fun. Need this channel in our live. I'm full-time. That's that. That's that. Okay, fire is on. We just want to have some fun. We need this channel in our lives. I'm full-time. That's that. That's that. That's told me. That's what's happening. Okay, Paul B. Church doesn't want to annoy you, Martin, so I won't. But it would be funny. Yeah, go on, Paul B. Annoy me. What's going on? Patty's already there. Look, Patty's already there. Hi, everyone. Look, she's already there. She's going for the Day Trader of the Year. End of the year, I'm giving a competition away. Look, Patty's already there. Look, can't believe it. First person to get there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Now put a comment below the video, Patty. Sort it out. Sort it out. Right. Church doesn't want me to annoy you, Martin, so I won't. No, go on, annoy me. I'm there, Mike's there. Hang on, I need to refresh it then, make it like a live chat then. There you go. Sort by newest comments. Yep, Mike is the very first person to leave a comment. Mike was the first person to leave a comment. There he goes. Look, I'm out of IonQ. First person, leave a comment. All right. Stu what, Bill? You got 60 seconds yet, so stop the stress, the worry, the fear. Wait, have patience. Bloody hell, I didn't tell anyone to go, did I? I didn't tell one person to go. You just all decided to go without me telling you. Unbelievable. All right. Here's a quick commercial break. You can all go over there now if you want. Get ready. And then straight after, come straight back to the show. We'll have a little chin wag. We'll do Day Trader of the Day. And then we'll do the second one. All right? Good stuff. You're the best. Best YouTube channel in the world. Fugly Mofo. Best wishes, mine. Wishes, join the YouTube channel for more details. Best wishes, join the YouTube channel for more. Fugly Mofo. Thank you very much. One of my subscribers. How are they making money? They don't charge trading fees. They do make money. They do make money on the buy to order flow. Of course they do. They're a business. They just don't make enough money because people aren't trading enough right now. All right, everybody go for it. There you go. You ready? There you go. Off you go. Off you pop. Greatest YouTube channel in the world. All right. Excuse me. All right, let's do it. Let's see who's up for it then. There we go. It'll start in a second. I'll be right back after that. Awesome. All right, off you go. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, so here we go. We've got a premiere now starting on my channel. This is a premiere, and all my members are watching it, so I can take a little break now and listen in. And I can even bring in the audio. There we go. That's a bit loud. I'll bring that up in a second. Okay, here we go. We're just getting ready for our premiere now. All very exciting. We'll just wait for it to start, and then I'll bring it in. Let's see who's over there with me. You can see here, look. Hi all. Oh, you need a beer. I need a beer. You're absolutely right. And I'll have a beer in a minute after all this. After all this chaos and confusion. Let's look at Arrival. The premiere still playing. It's only a couple of minutes. Arrival. It's flat in the after hours. So I'm just carrying on for the minute. Stephen L. I have cider. Oh, very nice indeed. I'm not really a cider drinker. I prefer a nice ale. I have to try and be in different places at the same time. Yeah, it's hard, isn't it? You've got to work hard on this show. You don't just come here to relax. You don't come here to relax. You ready? Shall we listen in then? Shall we listen in? I think we should. Here we go. We'll listen in now. We'll go full screen and we'll listen in. Ready? Here we go. All right, enjoy the premiere. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. IonQ, ticker symbol IONQ. Quantum computers. Well, a few days ago, we saw shorters claim the scalp of IonQ, trying to drive the stock down. And it was done on the basis that they were trying to report that the stock was a scam. That Bill Gates is an idiot. He doesn't know what he's talking about. And Amazon, second biggest investment. They don't know what they're talking about. Why on earth is everyone excited about IonQ? So the shorters launched a load of false information, drew the stock down, and I will show you what I mean. Down it went. I then bought more, absolutely ridiculous. And now what we've got is a short squeeze. What we're seeing now is the price has gone down and down and down. It's now gone too cheap. It's not gone down low enough for the shorters. So they're all getting squeezed out. They either lose all their money or they buy in. So now you've got the bears and the bulls buying in. And that's why IonQ is dramatically up today. Am I selling it? No. Am I doing anything with it? No, not at all. I'm just holding my position of IonQ. Looking great. This is a great stock for the future. It's nowhere near reached its potential because IonQ will make the quantum computers of the future for all the EVs, the flying taxis, and all this kind of stuff. So we need quantum computing. Well, what the shorters were trying to suggest was they're not even doing what they promised to do, and the whole thing's ridiculous and blah, 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 blah. As I've always said on my show, shorters, I love shorters. They're great for my investments. They always win the battle, but they always lose the war. And along the line, they end up all losing their money long term. But some people will say, I'm a short and I make loads of money. It's like a guy who goes into a casino. You'll always hear about the ones who won, but you never hear about the ones who lost, and most will lose. So IonQ is a great investment. I'm very happy to hold it. I only wish I'd bought more. It's a small part of my portfolio because At the end of the day, this stock could 10x. So 132 shares at $50 a share is a good part of my portfolio. I won't have to trim off this stock. It'll grow into its shoes, if you like. It's a big shoes part of my portfolio. I just made that up, but it seemed right at the time. And it'll grow into its price. I haven't got the funds to put into this stock. I've got my money elsewhere. And that's exactly where I am right now. But anyway, looking good. Let me show you the overall portfolio today, where we are with what's going on. This is the overall portfolio. And as you can see, my portfolio today is up 3.5%. I'm not really going to get excited that we're entering a bull market until I hit 50,000. We had a first bet. There we go. We had a sell-off. Everybody rally, but things are different now because we've now. There we go. We've got everybody watching this premiere at the moment. They'll be back in a second. Look at that. All these new people. Shall I put the link back to the show where we are live right now? That'll be interesting. Here, I can give everybody the link. Here we go. Join us back now for the live show. Let's see if anyone does that. I've got new people watching this. Interesting stuff. There you go. Who we got over there? Dexter Sickles, Quinn, Rayner. We got Not My Real Name has popped in. Quite a few people there. Sort by newest first. Newest first. Who's watching it? Stu Walk. I'm out. In, out, shake it all about, says I. Brilliant, I love it. Okay, we're just coming to the end of that video right now. Hey, what's MoonPay? MoonPay? Hey, I've never used it. MoonPay. I've heard of it, but I'm not in it. I don't use it. How are you doing, Martin? I'm all right. Charlton Hughes the Construction, I think I got that right. Apologies if I got your name wrong. Top GGG. Good to have you here, mate. Ray, my constant courage is here. 4,000 likes. I see that. Absolutely brilliant, right? Okay, we're just coming to the end. There you go. It's finished. It's finished. All right, everyone will come back now. Okay, here we go. So, wow, Paul B. What's going on here? I'm back. Mr. Martin, I'm not sure where to be. I'm not sure where to be. It's all chaos. Don't worry, Quinn. You're okay. Are you in your house? Are you on planet Earth? Are you fixed to the ground? Are you watching this on the telly? You're in the right place. Don't worry. Poor old Quinn, he's thinking, I don't know where to be. I can imagine. He's in South Africa, in Johannesburg, running around the house going, I don't know where I'm supposed to be. Am I supposed to be here? Am I supposed to be somewhere else? I don't know. Quinn, you're supposed to be wherever you decide you want to be. You know, you can be wherever you like. You know, we're not really here. This whole thing is a mirage anyway. Who's on about a scooter? Who's trying to get... It's all chaos. Totally. It's the best channel in the world. All we do is confuse everybody. I mean, it's kind of basically what we do. I mean, that's basically what we do, right? We just confuse people. It's a crazy world. What can I say? It's a crazy world. Anyway, is everybody all right? Let's have a little look. I heard Lucid is making an EV dolly for moving large boxes. Is that right? No idea. Can't see it catching on. That's a nice car, Paul. It's a lovely, lovely little car. Mr. Martin, I'm not sure where to be. I love that. That's the quote of the day. That's the quote of the day. Mr. Martin, I'm not sure where to be. I love that. I'm back. What's going on here about I need a Ford scooter? Why is everybody talking about a space scooter? Right, look. SPCE are not making a scooter, right? Can we get that right? Go and eat your dinner, Martin. We're nearly. We're not quite at the end. We're not quite at the end. Quinn is in the sky, on Earth, and every place. All right. Obviously, Patty's having a little beer there. Anyway, that's why I'm on the couch now. Right. Back straight. I want to set my PC up for tonight to stay on for the chart. Stay up for the charts. All right. Are you set then? Quinn Rayner, just stay where you are. Just stay where you are. Don't move. Right? If you're on the sofa, you'll be fine. AI, you crazy. I'm not sure where to be either. No one knows where to be. The world's upside down now. All I can say is I'll rescue you, right? Many of you are familiar with ASA International. Any good? ASA International. Are you familiar with ASA International? Any good? Real Ray, what are you talking about? Many is the autocorrect for Martin. Many is the autocorrect for Martin. Are you familiar with the ASA? Real Ray, what are you talking about? Can someone tell me what Real Ray's talking about? Paul bought a Ford step-through scooter. Paul bought a Ford step-through scooter. Ford don't make scooters. Don't listen to him. He's not. Then it makes sense. Nothing makes sense. Oh my God. Does anyone know what's going on? Does anyone know what's going on? All right. Stop all this nonsense. It's a debacle, I tell you. A debacle. Right, I'm nearly $41,000. We're making money. We're making money. We're making friends. Does anyone really care anymore after that? Hi all. Ali, UK Razy. I follow your channel. You got some funny stuff. Ali Isles. Thanks, Nits. Oh, I see. Ali, you crazy. Ali, you crazy. We could make Ali, you crazy, right? Are you a YouTuber? Do you want me to make you famous? Do you trust me? Do you want to just be brave tonight and do something funny? All right? I'm going to see if I can. I'm going to see if we can do it. We need one more member to start the. We've got 99 members again. We lost one last night. Someone decided not to resubscribe. So we got 99. We need one more, and then we can do the members-only videos. Right, you ready? I'm lost. Everybody's lost, Stu Walk. The whole world's lost. Help! I don't know where I am. Right. Yes, sir. Make me famous. All right, then. All right. Just take a leap of faith and become a member. And I promise you, you're going to love it. I promise you, you're going to love it if you become a member right now. All right? I'm going to do something. Everyone knows what I'm going to do. They've seen me do it before. Let's see if he becomes a member. Yes, sir, make me famous. LOL. He's probably thinking, I've got like 5 million subscribers. I don't need you. That's probably what he's saying. Anyway, what's the time? Time for me. What we got? We got 2 minutes. Right. The stock ASN. Are you familiar? No, I agree. Even if I'm not British. Martin, scroll up from my car chat and come down, then it makes sense. Paul B, I can't scroll back up again now, mate. It's chaos here. Funny to see Martin read the comments. I'm reading the comments as fast as I can. Stu Walk's lost. He's also saying, help me. Look, Stu Walk, I'm lost. He's saying, help. Yes, sir, make me famous. Well, I told you what you got to do. Mr. Martin, doesn't your back hurt? I think sir needs a back couch to rest. If I had the money, Mr. Martin, I would buy you a lazy boy couch. What's going on here? Why do you want to buy me a couch? I'm fine as I am. Thank you very much. There's nothing wrong. 100% famous. Oh yes, Mike, first of all his reactions. Isn't it a spin? Anyone want to know the stock ticker name for Ford step through? No one wants to know. Look, see, hang on a minute. Right, look, see, I'm perfectly fine walking around. Over here. Everything is good. Look, I do not need a couch. Do I look old? Is everybody going, Martin Luke, he needs a couch? Right. Anyway, it's just about the end of this crazy show. We're back in the morning for the CPI rate. CPI, are you going to stop? Are you going to play Pop Smoke for me on my birthday? Are you going to play Pop Smoke for me on my birthday? On your birthday, Church of Logic, I'm going to play a song I'm going to play Happy Birthday for you. You don't need a moderator. You need someone to write down all the chat text. Oh my God, I bought a brand new Ford Cougar in December 2021 and I got it delivered on Thursday. Cougar, ST Line X Edition. There's madness. There, madness over. Oh my God, I bought a brand new Ford Cougar in December 2021 and it got delivered on Thursday. Cougar ST Line X Edition. There, madness over. So he's going, I'm sick of this. I bought a car, I come on a YouTube channel, and all I'm getting is stress. I'm sick of it. Right, I've sorted it out. I'm glad you sorted it out, Paul B. A Cougar scooter. If I had the money, I'd join. But I got my gas and electric bill first. I know, I get it. Yeah, it's $2, but I understand. I get it. Everyone's paying electric bills. Don't worry about it. Join us every day. When you become a member, I'll do something great for you. Remind me that I said I would do it, all right? All right, okay, you ready? Okay, we got one final craziness, then we got day trader of the day, and then we're going to end, and I'm going to go because I'm sick of this now. I'm bored of you. It was funny for a while, but now I'm fed up with it. In the morning, let me end the poll. I've subscribed. He's going, is that not enough? I've subscribed. It's just the beginning, mate. Subscribing is just the beginning of the journey. You're just at the beginning of the journey. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll give you Discord as well. Here we go. Here's Discord as well. There you go. There's Discord as well. Don't say I don't give you anything, right? There's Discord in the chat. All right? And if you look on my all links button, I'll even put you in the cash prize giveaway for Friday if you want it. Do you want to be in the cash prize giveaway for Friday? Come back tomorrow. I'm not doing it now. Right, here we go. Here we go. Here's our second video. You ready, everybody? You ready? Everyone go. It starts in 60 seconds. Ready? And then come straight back. Come straight back. There's a link. There's the link. Come straight back. Leave a comment. Leave a like. There it is. Go and watch it. This could be our cash prize giveaway video. I'm just saying it could be. You won't know until Friday. It won't know till the newsletter comes out on Sunday, will you? Who's first? Quinn Rayner, I'm second or first. You don't know if you're second or first? Don't you know what you are? Don't you know? I'm second or first. Pick one, you know. Damn, that's nice, the day trader. Right, Paul B. AL's not cheap, he's frugal. Yes. What the hell is Discord? Don't you know what Discord is? Discord's very exciting. Anyway, Quinn, no. Beast Power. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, comment, Space Cube. All right. Seb Dean's blowing up the chat. Seb Dean, hang on a minute. Look at this. Look, he's crazy over here. Look, I can copy and paste. Hi, I can also spam. There you go. I can also spam. Come on, spam the channel. Spam your own channel just because you can, all right? All right. Oh, right. What am I saying now? I'm talking about Arrival. It doesn't matter how good the company is. They're a business, and it's all about numbers. And right now, interest rates are going to go up. The CPI... Let's see if we get anybody new. Stu, what? Now where am I? Now where am I? Stu's going, now where am I? Spam Mr. Martin. Do it. Brilliant. Anyway, enough of this craziness. Let's get rid of that one there. Bad joke again. Go on, Real. What does Real say? Discord is how you play a guitar with Discord. Oh, very funny. Day Trader of the Day. Yes, Fusion 301. I'm doing Day Trader of the Day. Just steady on. Wait for it. Have patience. Coming straight after this. Wait for this video to finish. If AI joins, I'm, in my opinion, be jelly. What? If Ali joins, in my opinion, be jelly. What the heck does that mean? I need an interpreter. I don't need moderators. I need regulators, and I need people to run. I hate to know I'm in a cheap. I'd hate to know I'm the cheapskate. You're not a cheapskate. Oh, you're not a member, are you? Yeah, you're not a member. Yeah, I'm watching first. Only just arrived. He's watching first. Paul B has left the building. Foot pedaling his Ford scooter. Bought another 10 FT the other weekend. Yeah, if you bought mine, I don't get the money for it anyway. It's just free. I don't even know what's going on with that anymore. Anyway. What's going on? Right, we're waiting to the end of this. We've got day trader of the day. All right, this will end in a second. Let me get day trader of the day ready. This is my portfolio for the day. I'm up 3.9. I'm ready to do it. So I'm already posting my score. I'm already ready because we're going to end on this. We're going to end on this, and then of course we got the roll the credits. I'm up 3.9. There's my score on the door. Where's the like button on mobile? Don't even start. Don't even come on here, Shad stream. Don't even come on here, Shad. Don't even come on. Don't even come on here. Don't even come on here. Here's Shad, by the way. Yeah, there's Shad, look. There's Shad. There he is, look. There's the man, Shad. He's right here, coming on here. The man's at 3.9. Yes, I'm up 3.9. I'm a gazillionaire. You found it. I'm glad you found it. It's not that hard. Right. Is everybody still watching that? Yep, that video still playing. Yep. Doing all right. 5 likes. I hope you're still watching this video. I'm not talking to you. We're doing a premiere. It's 2 minutes left. If you're not watching my arrival video and you're only watching part of it and destroying the algorithm, I'd be very upset. I'm trying to get a viral video. Watch the video. Pay attention to arrival. It's very, very important news. I made a very serious video. You should be watching it. You're supposed to be investors and day traders. Right? Right. Day trader of the day. It's nearly finished. I'm not talking to you until it's finished. All right? You got to watch the video. Here's my score. I'm getting ready to post my score. I'm going to give a 1 minute on the clock when it's time. It's not time yet. You got to watch my video first. You got to pay for this stuff. It's not free. Don't take it for granted. Right, here we go. It's coming to the end. Look, coming to the end. Did everybody watch it? There you are. It's finished. Everybody watch that? You better have done. Okay, here we go. Here's my score. When I get the first score, I'm going to start put the timer up. Let me go watch it. All right, you'll probably get confused thinking, where am I? All right, here's the arrival one. There you go. Go off and enjoy. Go off into the world and enjoy yourself. Does my YouTube name not give it away, Nits? AI, you crazy. AI, you crazy? I think he gives it away. We know he's crazy. We can suss that bit out. Anyway, you ready? Day trader of the day. If you are back with me now, day trader of the day. Okay, 1 minute on the clock. Fusion 301. Are you ready? Day trader of the day. Here it comes. Who's the winner? Who's made the most money? Who's lost the most money? It doesn't make any difference. Let me know which is which. It's all good. CPI report in the morning. Are you ready? Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Let's do it. Fusion 301. I'm up 5.91. Oom, chicky, chicky, chicky. Oom, boom, boom. Oom, chicky, chicky, chicky. Oom, boom, boom. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please. Stand up, say please. Stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up. Nakamoto. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please. Stand up, say please. Stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up. Nakamoto. I never lost nothing. I'm in profit for the whole 2 weeks. Well, that's very good. But trust me, you have down days. No one makes money all the time. No one makes money all the time. Cheeky, 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 bow, bow. Right, we've only got one score in so far. Fusion 301. 5.91. I'm up at 3.9. Fusion is 5.91. Is that the only score we got? I'm back up 1%. Too much space shares. There we go. 1%. I'm up 1.4. Rob McLean from Scotland. Do you want to hear Rob McLean? Who wants to? Here we go. 1.38. I think you need to go on America's Got Talent with that song. I know it'd win, wouldn't it? It would win, wouldn't it? It would just win. What about, missed it? You missed what? Stephen Rowe, what did you miss? What have you missed exactly? Who wants to hear Rob McLean? Anybody want to hear Rob McLean? Here he is. This is Rob McLean, everybody.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
By the way, you know this clown we've got in here called Paul B? He's on about his scooter. This is what he sounds like.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
There you go. What about Ali Tisrow?
You should definitely join the day trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
We just get straight to it. Well, it looks to me that the winner, without a shadow of a doubt, is Fusion 301. He wins North Korean Envoy. That's for Paul B. It's Paul B. Right, so here we go. Here's our winner today. Our winner is Fusion 301. So thank you very much for your honest trades. Boom. There we go. What about thumbs up? Boom. And what about the sound effects? Here we go. Let's do it. Dexter Sickles 2.65. I'm sorry, that's just not good enough today. Just not good enough. Q subpar fireworks. Why? Why have I got to do the fireworks? You've not given me a super chat. You've said the fireworks are rubbish. Why should I do the fireworks? Why should I do the fireworks when you're saying they're subpar? I don't think they're subpar. Does everyone think my... In fact, this is the last thing we're going to do. Poll. Who thinks my fireworks are subpar? Right. Subpar. Or second option, or right, who thinks my fireworks are subpar? Subpar or bloody amazing? You want to see my fireworks? Here's my fireworks. I think my fireworks are amazing. You ready? Here's my fireworks. This is especially now for you. See, it comes with a congratulations, a cheer. All right? And then even a second round of fireworks. All right? There you go. Do I need to be honest in the poll? Yes. They could win. They could even win, in my opinion. Absolutely. Well, we have to see them to judge. All right, back ordered for. I do like a big rocket. There you go. AI says he likes a big rocket. You should have a talk to Ali Isles. I'd love you. Budget as the fireworks. What is wrong with my bloody fireworks? I don't know what's wrong with them. I really don't know what's wrong with my fireworks. Anyway, enough of it. I'm sick of it. I've come on here today. All I'm getting is insulted. It's beyond the pale. I've had enough. I tell you. All I wanted to do was do a little bit of entertainment, a little bit of YouTubing. Today. I wake up in the morning and go, do you know what? I'm going to do a little bit of YouTubing today. And what do I get? I get this. Roll the credits. Yeah, it's all gone on too long. It's gone on way too long. Too many things. I totally agree. Get serious. I'll see you back in the morning. Tomorrow morning, it is, of course, the CPI report. We're going to report on it. It's going to be great. You're very entertaining. You've seen nothing yet, mate. You've seen nothing yet. Roll the credits. Roll the credits. See you back in the morning, folks. Thank you ever so much for being here. Big day tomorrow. Let's find out who the star of our show was. Mike slayed the Slayer once again. He slayed the Slayer. What time tomorrow from here in South Africa, Mr. Martin? Go onto my YouTube channel. Look here. Right. Go onto the main channel and look below, and it gives you all the times in your time zone. All right. Here you go. See it? There's the opening bell, the closing bell. Look, they're all across the top. Upcoming live streams. Upcoming live streams. They're all there for you in your time zone. We go live every single day, 10 hours a day. We're always live. We go the same time every day. We do the opening and closing bell of the stock market. And we have breaking news throughout the day. If something suddenly happens, I come on live and tell you. All you got to do is make sure that you subscribed and rang the bell. Have you done that? If you haven't done that, I'll explain what you do. Look. Here, look. You click this. Click subscribe, look. See the subscribe button? Look. And then click the little bell. And then you set the bell to all. If you've not done that, you can unsubscribe and reset it. Look, make sure that it's all. Turn the notifications on so that way you're all subscribed and rung the bell. Then you won't miss anything, right? Then you won't miss a thing. How wonderful is that? All right, that's it. I love ringing bells. You love ringing bells. I used to be a campanologist. Did anybody realise that? It's called campanology. If you are a bell ringer, you are a campanologist. And I used to do it in my local church. Mr. Martin, God bless. Thank you for making me part of this family and giving me a warm welcome. I'm going to try my best to join the channel. Just give me some time. No worries at all. Thank you very much indeed. What did we get there? Did we get any new members? Let's have a little look. We got a new subscriber. We got Stream 1081. That's over there on what do you call it? On YouTube and Twitch as well. That's it. Do what? That's it. See you all back in the morning. Shadoo-doo-be-doo-doo. Shooby-doo-wah. That's it. See you back in the morning for the opening bell and, of course, CPI report in the morning. Is it all going to crash or burn? We'll find out in the morning. Take care of yourselves and each